I wanted to do this final video as a tour of my human body project so that you could get a last little glimpse of what it is, what the different body parts are, and kind of how they all fit together. So let's look at it. This is my human body project. Remember, we've got our brain up here. I'm gonna pull my head down a little bit so you can see my brain in there with my brain and my spinal cord, which connects my brain to the rest of my nervous system, which controls all of the things that my body does. Then we've got my face, which is made of skin, which skin is the actual largest organ in your body, and it protects your body, makes sure that everything kind of stays in its place, nothing falls out. Then we have the lungs. The lungs are what take oxygen in, and it puts oxygen into your blood and makes sure that your blood has enough oxygen to do what it needs to do. It kind of comes into the lungs and then gets sent out of the lungs. Then with carbon dioxide, you take oxygen in, it filters it, puts it in the blood, and sends carbon dioxide out. Underneath, we have the heart. You can kind of see there's red parts and blue parts because the heart will take blood in that doesn't have oxygen in it. It'll fill the blood with oxygen and send it back out. It is constantly pumping. It is a muscle that will pump your blood all throughout the rest of your body. You can't see it on this project, but you actually have veins and arteries going all throughout your body that the blood is being pumped through. Here we have the stomach. Remember, the stomach is part of the digestive system. Food comes from the mouth down to the stomach, and the stomach works together with the rest of the digestive system. We have the liver, which makes bile, which is it's a type of thing that helps the stomach to break down the food. We have the spleen, which helps your body to fight off disease. We have the gallbladder, which is going to store the bile that the liver makes. And we have the pancreas kind of hiding under here, this yellow guy, and he makes other enzymes and hormones that help your stomach and help the rest of your body break down foods in order to digest them. We also have the kidneys here and here. The kidneys are going to help to help filter out your blood, take out any bad things from your blood, and get rid of them. We also have the small and large intestine. The small intestine is the next stop after the stomach takes the food. The food will go through the small intestine, and the body will take out the proteins and nutrients that it needs. Once it's done there, it will go to the large intestine, and the body will take out any last things that it can take, and then your food will leave the body and it will become waste. Also, we have the bladder, when the kidneys will work to filter out the blood and take out any liquid waste or things that don't necessarily need to be in the blood. It will send that liquid to the bladder, which will fill up, and once it's ready, it'll send out that unnecessary water out of your body. We also have the bones and muscles. So if you can see on my legs, I've got bones. They are really hard. They're full of marrow. They're very strong. They give your body structure. As you can see, I have my skeletal system here. It makes it where my body isn't just a bag of organs. It gives it a structure, keeps it strong, and it also allows you to move around. It works with your muscles. So actually, this looks a little weird, but the way that we can think about it is underneath these muscles are the bones. So these bones are just shown without the muscle on them, but you have bones and muscles in each leg and all throughout your body. We also have joints, which allow your bones to move. Your knuckles are joints, which allow your hands to move. And that right there is your human body. I hope you guys had lots of fun learning about it.